Okay, so today we are jumping straight into a very specific piece of kit. We're talking about the Philips Hue Appear outdoor lighting fixture. And if you've looked into smart lighting for your backyard, you know these things. They command a seriously premium price.
They absolutely do.
So our mission for this deep dive is to really unpack where that money is going. I mean, are you paying for some kind of next level durability, or are you actually just shelling out for the ecosystem?
Right. It's all about consumer transparency.
Yeah, we need to decode the tiny letters and numbers on the spec sheet, that weather resistance rating, and see if it matches what most buyers probably assume.
Exactly. And we're focused squarely on that IP44 rating. IP stands for ingress protection,
Mm.
and that number, 44, that's the absolute key to understanding where this light should and shouldn't live.
And people want this light. The sources all agree the software is just, it's spectacular.
No, it's seamless.
The integration into the Hue ecosystem, the colors, the dynamic scenes, and it works with, what, everything. Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Home.
Yeah, that connectivity is why it costs what it costs.
But that's the disconnect, isn't it?
It is. You're essentially paying, Ferrari prices for the software, but maybe Corolla durability for the actual hardware housing.
Okay, so let's define it. What is IP44 exactly?
Let's break it down. So the first four means it's protected against solid objects. Think small tools, little screws, that kind of debris, anything larger than about a millimeter.
Got it. So basic physical protection.
Right. But it's the second four that's the crucial part for water. It means protection against splashing water from any direction.
Splashing.
Splashing. So splash-proof. But, and this is the key, it is definitely not waterproof.
And that's where people get caught up. You see outdoor on the box and you just assume it can survive being absolutely hammered by the elements year-round.
And IP44 doesn't guarantee that. Not at all.
So is Philips being transparent enough, though? I mean, is putting outdoor on the box inherently a bit misleading when the rating specifically excludes that kind of survival?
Well, it certainly raises a valid marketing question. When we look at the installation advice from the sources, they all stress this product is really suitable for, say, light rain and covered patios.
So think of it like a good kitchen appliance. It can handle a spill, but you wouldn't leave it out in a blizzard.
That's a perfect analogy. Steady downpours or that sideways wind-driven rain.
Yeah.
That's beyond what the rating guarantees.
We saw that limitation play out in some of the real-world experiences, too. One review noted the fixtures actually didn't fail, even after a pretty severe storm.
Right, they survive.
But the reviewer did see water beading and sort of lingering in the less shielded spots. It was performing right at its limit, not comfortably within it.
Precisely, which connects right back to your installation. The best performance is going to come when the fixture is a little bit protected.
Under the eaves or a porch roof.
Exactly. Under eaves, sheltered by a porch, on a covered patio. If you stick it high up on a wall facing the open sky, you're, intentionally pushing it past the IP44 guarantee.
So to really crystallize the value proposition here, the higher cost covers that incredible ecosystem, the light quality, the smart features.
The brains.
The brains, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily covering some kind of rugged, armor-plated outdoor durability you might get from an industrial-grade fixture.
That is the key takeaway. If you respect that IP44 limitation, the Philips Hue Appear is an excellent smart light for moderate outdoor exposure.
Yeah.
But if you exceed that rating, you're basically relying on luck.
Okay, so knowing this light is splash-proof but not truly waterproof, it raises a final thought. If your priority really is maximum weather toughness for harsh, direct rain, you'd need a higher rating.
A much higher rating.
Something like an IP65, right?
Yeah.
Which means protection against dust and low-pressure jets of water.
A huge difference.
So that makes you wonder, why haven't Hue products, which target the general consumer for their backyards, universally moved to that stronger 65 standard? Something to consider next time you evaluate a smart device's true durability.